location, let's focus on communicating, 'cause I just need time and place to come through. Send me your location, let's ride the vibration. I don't need nothing else but you. At times I wonder why I fool you. This is new to me, this is new to you. Initially, I didn't want to fall for you. Gather my attention, it was all for you. So don't take advantage, don't leave my heart damaged. To understand something come a little bit better when you plan it. Yeah, so won't you send me your location, let's focus on communicating, 'cause I just need time and place to come through. Send me your location, let's ride the vibration. I don't need nothing else but you. I don't wanna fall in love off a subtweet, so let's get personal. I got a lot of cool spots that we can go. Tell me what's the move and I got you. I'm only acting like this 'cause I like you. Oh, just give me the vibe to slide, and then I might make you mine by tonight. Oh, send me your location, let's focus on communicating, 'cause I just need time and place to come through. Send me your location, let's ride the vibration. I don't need nothing else but you. Ride, come and vibe with me tonight. I don't need nothing else but you. Ride, come and vibe with me tonight. I don't need nothing else but you. You, yeah. And I don't need nothing else but you. We change it up a little bit. We did it. Thank you so much for watching. If you do want to get this tutorial, it's on YouTube right now. I'll leave a link in the description below or in the top of the comments. Thank you so much for watching. And again, thank you so much to Leolani Ukulele / Kumu Ukulele for making amazing ukes. I also do have, if I can get it without looking, can I do it? Yes, I can. These two are Leolani Kumu Ukuleles if you want to get any of these. Link in the description below. Also, you can save 10% off, $10 off. $10 off if you use the code Ricky10 at checkout. You can save $10 off any of these ukes. So cool. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Let me know what other videos you want me to do on this channel, but I'll see you later. I'm going to hang out my ukes. Thank you so much. I'll see you later. Goodbye. Can I do it? Boom.